Step 5, which is the last step for this video, set a default wallet on lily.africa. To set a default wallet on lily.africa, first of all, come to the home page, click on the green icon at the top right, click on wallets, and it will bring you to this page. You can either set your default wallet to be Litecoin or Bitcoin. Note that any wallet you are going to be using as a default wallet must hold a value of currency equivalent to any amount you need for transaction. In a case where there is a form of scamming in a trade transaction, the money in the default wallet is what will be used to compensate the person that is not at fault. So to set your Bitcoin wallet as a default wallet, you click on Bitcoin, then you click on set as default, then you click on OK to set your Bitcoin wallet as a default wallet. The same process applies to setting your Litecoin wallet as a default wallet. So you have to click on Litecoin first of all, then you click on set as default, then you click on OK. So once you've clicked on OK, your Litecoin wallet is now set as a default wallet. So guys, I hope this video helped you out in your trading experience. Make sure to continue using lily.africa for your smooth and easy P2P trade. And if you don't have an account, do well to create one and start making use of the best P2P trading platform.